So today I'm learning about if statements again, or practicing them again, and for some reason the first half of the recording got lost, but let's just continue here. So an if statement again basically tells the machine to do some code only if some condition is true, else do something else. And here we have age equals input, so we ask the user for an input. So it will ask here, what is your age? And we typecast it into an integer, so a whole number, right? That's why we have this int, open and close bracket here around it. And then if age is greater than or equal to 18, colon, new line, indentation, print, and then open paragraph, double quotes, and then you are old enough to vote. And then we close it. And then there doesn't have to be an empty line, but it needs to be in a new line. Else, colon, very important. And then again, indentation, very important. Print, open bracket, quotation marks, you must be 18 plus to vote. You can also, of course, add a period here, since this is actually an entire sentence. And now, let's say, this is my age. I'm old enough to vote, wonderful. Let's just run it again. 7. I must be 18 plus to vote. All right. So this is that, an if-else statement. Now there is also, and then we also have an else-if statement, which is elif, age less than 4, colon, and then we do print. How can you even read and write at this age? You're amazing, right? And then now if my age is 4, it just turns out this one, because here it's not less than 4, it's 4, right? Now if you run this again and I input here 3, which is less than 4, then we get this message. How can you even write and write at this age? You're amazing, right? But actually, I'm 43, time flies, I'm old enough to vote.